Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm here as promised with a super exciting unboxing for you. My delivery arrived today and I have not opened this. I want to do a true unboxing for the first time on my channel, and this is something that I've been kind of waiting for such a long time. 3 weeks in total. It arrived today, so let's stop with the lengthy intro. Quick disclaimer, because I know that this may not be for you. If you are not into planners, stationery, stickers and all of that fun, fantastic stuff, then this video won't be for you. If you're into luxury goods, so this may be. So please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's stop wasting time. So this arrived, as I mentioned, today in this box. On the other side of the box it has my details, so I will not be showing you that. Oh my freaking gosh, guys, look at this. So this is the package. As you can see, I haven't opened this. Okay, I'm not going to bore you. It's literally in this envelope will be the receipt and the sales invoice. Okay, so I'll pop that here. This is how it's come presented. Love this box. So I'm guessing this year is no longer the year of the blue ribbon. Let's untie this beautiful item. Okay, so here it is, guys. This is gorgeous. It's my new planner. This is, so it's the Damier Bin canvas. I'm going to take away the packaging. So this is it. It is in the Damier Bin print. Absolutely love it. It's the only agenda I have in this print, and the other one, in fact, I have here, which you will have seen quite a few times. This is the, okay, so it's the A5 size, so it is bigger, and you can see by how much here. Okay, so that is quite a lot bigger in size. I will do a comparison video. Right now it is all about this cutie, so I will focus on this, but this is absolutely just gorgeous. I love it. From Louis Vuitton directly. It was actually a gift, so I'm extremely grateful and thankful to have this in my collection now. It was pre-ordered and the waiting was roughly 3 weeks, so yeah, I mean, it's definitely been worth the wait. The popper is very stiff at the moment because it is so new, but I just love the rich chocolate brown. This is from Paris, so it's come over from France, and it's got the 2 secretarial flaps at the side and the 2 front pockets here, and then one other pocket that runs along the entire length of the back right here. So I absolutely love this, guys. It's so freaking cute. I'm very excited. I do have some goodies I'm gonna put in here to kind of start the setup. I will obviously come back as soon as I have things set up so that I can show you how I've done that, and I also have some items on the way as well, so chances are you'll kind of get a part 1 and a part 2 of my setup, but I'm very excited to get those in here and like have this join my little planner family of like cuteness. So very excited. I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. I think it's such a lovely, classic, classy, mature canvas for a planner of this size. I was tempted to kind of say to get this one in the monogram, but I just think it's nice to kind of have a mix. So yeah, I'm very excited. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll be back very soon to show you how I have this absolute gorgeous piece set up. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.